Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about possessive s in Starter Unit Lesson 4. Let's learn with me. I'm going to use this English Plus 1 textbook and I'm going to refer to page 7. So, all of you can also refer to this book while watching this video. The aim of the lesson: ask questions with be about where people and things are, and write the phrases using the correct possessive apostrophe. This is the main ls and the complementary ls for the lesson. There are two things that I will teach you today. First, we are going to learn about possessive apostrophe or possessive s. And we are going to learn about asking questions. Let's check it out. The first topic is possessive apostrophe. So, what is possessive apostrophe? As you can see in this video, there are two types of possessive apostrophe: apostrophe s and s apostrophe. Possessive apostrophe is used to show the possession or belonging of someone or something. In Bahasa Melayu, possession or belonging means kepunyaan. So, how to use possessive apostrophe? As you can see here, apostrophe s will start writing with a symbol and followed by the letter s. For s apostrophe, we are going to write the s, the letter s, and followed by the symbol. So, apostrophe s is used for singular words. Do you still remember about singular and plural? I hope you still remember about the topic, which we have learned the previous years. And s apostrophe is used with plural words. For example, singular, teacher, student, and a boy named John. Singular means one. So, as you can see here, there is one teacher, one student, and one boy named John. Plural means more than one. So, how many teachers can you see here? There are two teachers. So, to indicate plural, we put s. Teachers. Student, there are 3 students here. So, to indicate plural, we put s. Students. Alright, what about John? We can never use plural for a proper noun. Okay? Right, let's look at the example. For example, here I have a picture of a bag, and the bag belongs to the student. So we say this is the student's bag. Student's bag. Look at the student. How many students here? There is one student. So because this is only one student, it is singular. So because it is singular, we put apostrophe s. Alright, now what about the bag belongs to many students? You can see that there are 3 students. So we say those bags belong to the students. Those bags are students' bag. Those are the students' bag. So we put apostrophe after the letter S. Alright, because student here is plural, so we already have the letter S, students. So we just add the apostrophe symbol. Alright? Now, let's go to another example, which is exceptional case. For one child, this is singular. For many children, so this is plural. So let's say we want to say the children's book. Okay, so we cannot say the children's book by putting S, children's, apostrophe, the children as apostrophe book. So we have to write like this, children's apostrophe S book, or children apostrophe S toy. Alright, because children is already plural, we don't put S after the word children here. Okay, I hope you are clear with this part. Okay, let's look at this one. This is John and Paul. So, how many people here? There are 2 people, John and Paul. So, because of there are more than one, this is already plural. However, we cannot put John's and Paul's book. We have to put apostrophe S after the second name, John and Paul's book, or John and Paul's bag. Alright, so we can't put apostrophe for both names. We have to put apostrophe after the second name. Is that clear? Good. Now, the second topic is about asking questions. Now, how do we ask questions? Do you still remember the table that I have shown you in the previous video? Well, good if you still remember. Okay, let's look at the table again. There are 3 columns, subject pronouns, verb be affirmative, and verb be negative. So, how do we ask and answer the question? When asking and answer questions, it involves at least 2 persons. So here, I have put the first and the second speaker. Alright, for example, the first speaker, blank, I in the wrong classroom. So, what should you put in the blank here? Is it is? Is it are? Is it am? Let's look at is. Does it match with the subject pronoun he, she, it? No. What about are? Are I in the wrong classroom? Is that correct? Does it match with the subject pronoun? No. What about am? Am I in the wrong classroom? Does it match with the subject pronoun? Yes. So now, for this example, you have to put am. Am I in the wrong classroom? So the second speaker will answer either yes, you are, or no, you aren't. Alright, let's go to the second example. Okay, the first speaker asks, blank, you in the library now? So what are you going to put here in the blank? Is it is? Does it match with the subject pronoun? Is you in the library now? There is no you here. Is with he, she, it. What about are? Are you in the library now? Does it match with the subject pronoun? They, we have you. Okay, so the answer is are. Are you in the library now? So the second speaker will answer either yes, I am, or no, I am not. Alright? Okay, now let's look at the third example. The first speaker asks, blank my book with you? What about this one? Blank my book with you. So we are talking about my book. My book is non-human thing. Okay, non-human. It is a thing. Alright. So what is the subject pronoun that we can replace with book? We can replace it with it. Okay. So because the subject pronoun my book, we can replace it with it. So we have to put is in the blank here. So is my book with you? Is my book with you? So the second speaker will answer yes it is or no it is not. Alright? I hope that you understand the topic. There are two topics that we learned today: possessive apostrophe or possessive s and asking question. So this is one awesome word that I'd like to say to you. Practice makes perfect. Okay, this is my advice to you. Practice makes perfect. So in whatever you do, it's okay if you do it in a wrong way, because maybe you are not used to it. Sooner or later, you'll get used to it and you make it perfectly. Alright, so don't give up in learning. Although it is difficult, but we have to be persevere. We have to be strong and do the best that we can. Alright, so that's all for today. I hope that you enjoy learning English with me, and please forgive me if there's any mistakes, any errors. So I'm just human. I'm sorry if I have not doing my best, but I hope that I'm doing the best for you. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.